The brush tubes support the motor brushes and align them with the commutator. The formed brass tubes slide into the plastic motor insulator. If the tool is overloaded, the brushes can overheat. This can damage the brush tubes. The plastic motor insulator can also be damaged, so you'll want to inspect it as well. Replacing the brush tube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor brushes. The brushes are located behind the brush doors. The doors are secured with a screw. I'll go ahead and remove the screw. Now remove the door. I'll need to loosen the nut on the spade handle so the door will clear. Now remove the brush from the damaged brush tube. You'll want to carefully inspect the brushes to make sure they're not damaged as well. The brush tubes slide inside of the plastic insulation housing. To remove them, I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to start pulling the brush tube away from the insulation housing. Once I have it started, I can slide a screwdriver underneath one of the ears and pry it out of the housing. Now I can install the new brush tube. I'll line it with the housing and get it started into place. Then I'll use the back of a screwdriver to push it firmly into the housing. I'd repeat this on the other side if necessary. And now I can reinstall the brush. I align it with the brush tube, compress the spring, and reattach the brush wire. And I'll finish by reinstalling the brush cover. That's all it takes to replace the brush tube in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.